Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I appreciate you checking in. So today we're working on Cry Baby, the geocache that I went and got out of the woods a 3 weeks ago. If you watched episode 1, then you know all about Cry Baby. And I'm here in the shed now, and I'm going to show you a little more about the geocache, and then show you what I need to repair, and then I'm going to get to work on it. Okay, so we got the Cry Baby sitting up here. Got it clamped to the workbench so it will stand up by itself, and I just want to show you a couple things about it. It's really not in bad shape for as long as it's been out there, so just want to start on top. So it has two flaps on the top, and this one here is all it is a weather protector. If I didn't have it on there, I'd be getting rainwater and stuff coming down through here, and would have rotted out really quick. The main chamber is here, and the namesake of the geocache is in there. It's the Cry Baby, and this tells you that it's not in here. I might move that. I might sand that lettering off. I don't know, and move it up a little bit, because I'd like her to be a little more upright. So she's a dirty baby, but I'm not gonna give her a bath. So yeah, so on the top I've got the Sock Monkey 69 logo that I made, and then on the front it has the geocaching symbol on the front, so you know that it is a geocache if you know what that symbol is. This is where the geocache container used to sit, down in here, and it will again, and it was protected with a piece of plexiglass, which is this piece here. I think I can just clean it up and just reuse it, but this plywood's expanded here, and so this will not allow that to go down in there like it's supposed to. So I'm gonna have to trim some of that off. Not a big deal. Can do that. I got to get this cleaned out really well and let it dry out. It's still actually moist down in there, so I'll get that cleaned out, let it start drying out. This piece is fine, so I'll just mainly just do some light sanding on this thing, like I said earlier, and then and get everything cleaned out, scraped out good, and then do the light sanding. I'm going to highlight the Sock Monkey 69 emblem on the top. It's still looking pretty good. It was black, I guess. Some of them I do in gold, and then I'll do the geocaching symbol on the front in gold. Yeah, so I'll get it cleaned up and get it back out there. Okay, so got my smock on. My shop teacher used to wear one of these. Yeah, used to carry his marbles right there. So I'm gonna get a little bit of this on here. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna let it sit there and dry. Today is the 1st. I've got the stain on there. This morning I went ahead and painted the SM69 emblem and the geocache emblem with gold paint. You know, first we did the sanding, then did the stain, got that done. Now I'm ready to put some urethane finish on it. I'm just going to use the spray stuff. It's going to work fine for this. So what I'm going to do is I'll spray the bottom part first, and then I'll set it on these. I've got a couple boards with screws sticking through it, so I'll set it on that, gently on that, so it doesn't stick to the plywood. yeah, so we got the Cry Baby done. Sanded it down just enough where I could keep the finish on. I got the new finish on it. Painted the Sock Monkey 69 and the geocache symbol. You saw us put the urethane on. Got the baby back in there. She's a dirty baby. I didn't clean her, but I feel like she looks better that way. And I did sand off the writing that was right behind her head and moved it up here where it's easier to see. So this is the part of the container that just holds the baby. The geocache goes in the back. I did put new bolts in, and that's for attaching it to the post. And I cleaned the threads up on the knob and put just a tiny bit of white grease on it to make it just free it up so it screws really easily. The other thing I did do is I took off one side. We cut one side so that this would close easier and wouldn't stick together. So I did, and I put one more thing is I put more magnets in there. And this is the door that goes in there. I haven't put the cache back in it yet, so but I did mark it where it's on the bottom. I don't know if you read that. Yeah, it's on the bottom there, so hopefully people will see that, and even if they don't realize how they took it off or they can't visualize how it goes back on there. And I got a new cache container for it. I got Cry Baby Sock Monkey 69 geocache. Got a little monkey stuck on there, so he's fun. And then I have the log sheet that goes in there. A couple of little monkeys that I put in all my geocaches. This is just swag for people to trade out if they want, mainly for kids. But yeah, got a Puerto Rico pin. This dude, don't know who he is. He just sits on there and hangs out. Then I got Batman. He's going in there. And then I got this guy here. I don't know who he is. So you might have to ask your kids or your grandkids, but if you know who he is, let me know. He's got, you know, cool shoulder pads. He's got a mohawk. He's got some kind of gun thing on his right arm, knee pads. He's ready to go, bro. Got him in there. There's a little key. Put that in, and then I'm putting two of my Sock Monkey 69 path tags in there. So that's a good little bit of swag for in there. So I will cap that up, open that up, and get it put in the bottom, and then we'll be ready to go set this thing tomorrow. So we'll start episode 3. It's going to take a little bit of work to set this thing because I have to carry a T-post pounder back in there, and it's heavy. But we'll start with that tomorrow. So okay, so with that, we'll end episode 2. I appreciate you guys watching. I really do. Hit the like button, subscribe right here, and comment, and share the video with somebody. That'd be great. If you figure out who that dude is, let me know. See ya.